Remakeup da Ajui Kamadaya Baubing Naga political Chan Ngazek with public consultative Kazip Sada, Lungtarli Kwiga Haira. 61st Mr. Manipurunga Handi Royal Chim Okrulwi Mina Mike Hasampang Haira. Like Kangator, Aja the Tangkhul Express Repao, Ayahclear Kharay in a Bamidlay, Baubing Mesa in Anganangramsa. Indo-Naga political process with People's Consultative Meeting Sada Lungtarli Kwiga Haira. Yari Consultative Kazib Juli Kamadaya Jampur, Naga Army Long Review General Anthony Linkan Chimray Namia. Indo-Naga Peace Stall we coordinate the Lasada Clay General Linkan Chimray Nakahang. Jan Ngazeki Naga Sovereignty Torpin Jan Political Machun Hikata Wivang. Negotiate Sada claiming Mana Gacha, Chiping Jia India Shogana Machut Migahaina, Integration Memorandum Naga Regional Territorial Council, the Framework Agreement Law, Sovereignty with Aina Shokabai, Ningchuk later Shimray Hanga, Kahang the Clay. Governance model T, Ben Naga Hoho Aina, Nagalim Shogari Atishura Zadraje. Naga political issue with solution tag the Quira Mikawai, STNB with Executive Secretary Reverend Dr. Dene Kashunga, Chief Negotiator TH Muiva, General Linkan Chimray, Kala Naga National Workers Pingwivang, Sokamigabo Sehasamia. Gazib Jui Ngaran Ngaye Tangkhul Naga Foothills Organization Nasamia. Gazib Juli Shangbun Long Chairman Ningchui Jitungna Thanda Yari and Direction Adam La Kwigaya. DNFO President Turner Rahing, VP RV Sanzimik, TNAL Chairman Shomi Angkang, Lungtar Baptist Church with Reverend Felix Riyama Gala, Maring Chihu, Kong Aina Rongmai, Minganin Bingla Gazib Juli Sharokuya. Indo-Naga political process with People's Consultative Meeting Jandel Aina Tamenglong Lila Ajahon Tangkwigaya. Jandel Naga Long na NSA and IM Lishit Kasang Pongshok Haira. Naga political peace process Lika Gadom Jiteda, Jandel Naga People's Organization na Duida Gada, India Aina NSA and IM na 2015 Kum Framework Agreement like highly Kangasun, Indo-Naga political talk Lika Dom Delay. Naga political issue with solution Kwirak Hawaii, TH Muivawi, Katan Alungli Zata Clayjuli, Gadoma the Chandel Naga People's Organization Nangavau Hera. Chihongam in a Naga political peace process Wibang, NSA and IM Najan Ngazek, Tanda Clayli, Rongmai Naga Council Manipur, Inbui Naga Union, Damenglong, Zimi Naga Council Manipur, Liangmai Naga Council, Damenglong. Dalaga Gadom Ngavau Hera. Jandel Gazib Chuli Naga Army Long Vibu General Anthony Linkan Chimray Namatuida, India the solution Ngagai Ngagada, Tengway May Mikhanganao, piecemeal solutions Idumukui, Sangmaragaji Hanglishida. General Anthony Linkan Chimray Nakahang, India Shogarna, Naganao Bing Pilan, Aina Constitution Malay by Marada, prohibit Kasamalay Manaka, Miramji finalized Masaranga Gachina. Etumwi solution Kibawi Aina La Kachiwi Aina Rara Kla Gajili, Pap Magadama Laymana Gacha, Kanini Shina Mayang Rock High Atishuda, Framework Agreement with Alungli Solution we, Didel Sena Execution Plan Masangla implement Sahara Jidale. Nagana sovereign nation Yasagi Gajihi, India Gala, Burma La Tari Makanvada Clay. Nagana being Saikora Gazang, Ben Naga Hoho we Aina, Radara Gachi Hangsanga. India na Ninkan Samkapang Adamle Atumwili Constitution Malay Samana, Kanaga now being we live NNC La NSC and Higata Organization Masemrang Laka Aina Constitution like High Side. Kajal Kuung Jadur Kachida we Ogtot Mayonza Labing Hiras Kasana da Shimrena Hangsanga. Current Constitution did modernize Sada later Kalay Mayonza Bingla, Majan Sangranga Jidale. Jan Gazek he Sangla Rahogada NSCN na solution Kuumi Shablagrila Gaji Kang Handale. Chiling Hangagasa the NSCN na Kalika Aina Dang the National Coast de Mahat Milang Marajihira. Nagalim for Christ Vision de Mahat Lang Maragachi Hanga NSCN na Varewi. Naso Kamili Shit Kasang Mangachemana Jidale. Groups, kala politicals, parties, nga the data leads at Salala, Kanawa Sada Naglim for Christ we Azing, Verena Miga High Pilan we Azing the Koka Salushita, Yari Li Katong Hera. 61st Mr. Manipur 2023 Royal Gymnasium Krolwi at led Mike Yasampang Hera. All Manipur Bodybuilders Association na pau mi kishok atishuda junior 60 kg nga hanli ongkhui lungharwo na ga khne kala KYS mishop na ga gothumali jang da mic ya samphanghaira nga han chiwi Kharay Hercules Chim Yaribo Kui S Rohit na Yuhawa Junior 75 kg Willi Euphrat Sonana Kamadeli Zankazang Sampanga Senior 60 kg nga Hamdila KYS Mishop Gakatumali Zanga Ongkui Lungharwo KYS Mishop Euphrat Sonar Atumhi Royal Gymnasium Ukrulwi Athlete Center Ngahanchi Amba Office Command Nambagli Rumida Ajahon Tarik Jigodang Hogpok Aya Final Ngahan Chanims Auditorium Hall Barampat Bikwigaya 61st Mr. Manipur Ngahanjali Chim Hang Tarukda Kaniwi Aina 186 athletes Shakha Hangjishata Tarukna Sharukwiya India Genocide Mashok Ngasa Kharay National Committee Assembly the President Le Hanghaira Hangda Kharay Genocide Gajihi Apam La Maning Akha Jatyur La Group Akha Sashimit Miga Gaji Ningrin Aina Medraka Sagatat Lik Hangna National Committee to Prevent Genocide Semi Kharay Human Rights Alert Manipur International Youth Center Manipur Solitary on United Nations Nubi Union for Peace and Integrity Kala Women's United Development Organization Manipur na President Draupadi Murmuli Memorandum ni Sanghera Memorandum chi Manipur we victimized communities we Matun Sada Longbing China Mikasangna United Nations Genocide Convention Katagwilungli implement Sakhwai National Committee Semilugchi Atumna Bodale Memorandum Chili Matalaga in Manipur we wrote Kamarad Maram Hang Sanghera Kumbhi Genocide Convention with 75th anniversary Ungdai Ka Convention Jili Gazang India we Manipur li Ajahon Mayday Tarada Gatum Tengnabo District li Sagata China Shorgarwi Genocide Prevent Shoi Chao Shoi Gahai Jiteya the Memorandum Chili Hang Sanga Richum now being the genocide war crimes against humanity Kala ethnic cleansing we aina Ngakami India state we Otngarutna the long being China Hang Sanga Loktak Hydroelectric Project Sava Furagachili Yari Namakamaya Pungshok Haira Loktak Hydroelectric Project Singum Magada Panga Kasai Sangra da Kharay Wibang Ning Kharay Project China Sagaza Tangasa Kharay Public Convention Kwiga Haira Gazipchi Impact of Loktak Hydroelectric Project in Manipur Gachi Dukwili Rinda Ikai Wabukbi Public Ground Bishnupur District People's Committee on Restoration of Loktak and its associated wetlands Manipur na Aya Makokmia Gazip Chili Gazangyari na Kokha Sada Loktak Hydroelectric Project Extent Kasali Makamaya to the Tahira National Hydro Project Corporation Limited with Azingli Kharay Hydro Project in a Loktak Lake we Kangaja Dimlon Ecosystem Li Sagazalaya the Committee China Hanga Loktak Protection Act 2016 la review Sami Kharay Shorgali Pura the Committee China Dudak Tahira Loktak Development Authority Department of Environment and Climate Change Kala State Wetland Authority Hiping Hinala Yarili Hangachite Para the Committee China Hangsanga Environmental journalist Rajesh Halam the Loktak Hydroelectric Project with Phases Page Data China local community Matailag and a Loktak Bamwi Kai Kapana Bing Sagazamaram Hangchiteya Loktak Project with Amangada Aina Gadong Ngakot yang akha project ji state wibang kapha masala sagazang saya da salam na hangsanga state shogargala yarina biodiversity wibang ninga kharik leilala National Hydro Project Corporation Limited na central agency sada mathai mitura da salam na hangsanga kazip chui panel writer Ranjit Ningthojam environmental journalist Rajesh Halam Indian Bird Conservation Network we Manipur State Coordinator RK Burjit Kala Kumbi College we retired principal K. Jukeshwar Atumzanga. Loktak Hydroelectric Project Kwigada Zingum Tamrada Jiko Kahira Project Zingum Tamrada Panga Sara da Legasa Zingum Madi Kasesang Kahaina Arila Corporation Jina Project Zingum Magada Panga Sava Furadale Proposal Chilima Kamaya Tarakale Hira Mizoram Shorgana State Level Boundary Committee Semra Chihira Mizoram Chief Minister Lardu Homana Kahang, Kongnai State being Aina Tari Maram Later Kharay, Wivang State with Boundary Committee Lehara, Itum the Tay by Mizoram we Ado Shong Assam, Zingsho Shong Manipur Kala, Zingdun Shong Tripura later, Kongnai Ngalay 30 kilometers, Shagatum Mugada Pangale, stayed with Tari Kangaki ZBM Nagatan Shogari Kamadaya Akanada CM Nahanga, Mizoram the Manipur Aina Tripurali, Tari Kangaya, Telmai Kale, Ka Assam Aina Mizoram Tari we Aina Rod Kamarad Kahaga later, Kasang Kangaya Drahira, Mizoram districts Katum Aizol, Golasip Kala, Mamitiping Hina, Assam we, Gajar, Karimganj Kala, Hailakandi districts later Isaya. Myanmar Kamarad we in a Manipur Shong Yamgazang mi Tinka Shajishot Shika Gaira, Manipur military Chunda and ethnic rebel groups like Marada Rod Marad Rashum Haira. Myanmar which now being marine gun Kawai Shim Chihong the Manipur litera Hang Yin Quidale. Ajahon Guptangla Myanmar now Shaka Hangpanga, Tengnabal district Livazang Haira. Atum the Tari Pilar 74 Kala 75 Fag in a Ragazangna. Paugsha Thaka, Myanmar Army na Sagaing region Damo district we Hadan Dapin Kuli Shim Shakni Abatara Todami Hawajidale. Myanmar nations Manipur Linga Yin Kwida Clay Mi Kachunka Tengnobal Aina Kamchongli Leda Kleina. La Lushita Ajui Kamdaya Baubing. Naga political chan ngazek we public consultative kazip sada lungtarli kwiga haira. 61st Mr. Manipur nga Handi Royal Chim Okrulwi Mina Maikya Sampang Haira. Ajui Pau Healing a Jangaira Pawanada claim to Psychorally Ringapagala Kamaya Zimiksho Nasasarino.